Hello friends, today I'm going to show this awesome matte lipsticks and these liquid lipsticks. You can see this is obviously nude color, this is a dark red color, and this is in baby pink color. You can see these three, and these you can see this is from which one? Wait, Innocence Matte Me lipstick. You can see which color it is. The package is very awesome. You can see it. You can see the color. I love it very much. Okay, on to the next we go. On to the next. And this is from Blue FM company. You can see it. Okay, this is also from Blue FM company. Blue FN company. You can see which color it. Okay, let's see which color. This is from Blue Heaven. You can see Innocence. Okay, then let's open this color. I'm very excited which color it will be after seeing that one. Oh wow, this is baby pink color. You can see it properly. You can see it. It is literally very awesome. And if I got some anything else, I will obviously show you. But this is also from which one? Color Essence. Color Essence. Oh my gosh, there's literally a long cap. You can see. Wow, what a nice color. See, I love this one. This is orange red. You can see it properly. Okay, on to the next we go. This is a wine color from Calmly. You can see. Wait a minute, where is it? It is literally very hard to open, but I managed because I want to show you how to use it. You can see this is obviously a wine color. You can see deep wine color. There are two types of wine color, light and deep. So this is the deep wine color. Okay friends, these four isn't in my list. These isn't in my list, but these are my favorites. So if these are my favorite, it must be your favorite too. So I thought I must show you. Bye bye.